With so many of us staying at home right now, this could be a great time to start a new garden.
Here's some tips to help you get started. You want to start small. You can always add to the size of the garden later. As you're looking for a site to start your garden, select a site that gets a minimum of 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, if at all possible. Try to stay away from trees and shrubs as much as possible to avoid competition with the root system and with shading. Relatively level, well-drained soil is the ideal you want to shoot for. Check your soil to make sure it's dry enough to work by digging up a trowel full of soil and then squeezing some of it in your hand. If it forms a muddy ball, it's too wet to work. If it crumbles and falls through your fingers, it's dry enough to work. Remove existing weeds as well as turf grass. Cool season crops, such as lettuce, spinach, and radishes, can be planted now. Warm season crops, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, need to wait until after the danger of frost is past. Usually that's around Mother's Day or so in much of the state. Southern Indiana can plant a little bit earlier. For more information on gardening, come visit Purdue Extension online.